Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights into essential products. Today, we're diving into something crucial for pool maintenance enthusiasts: the best pool brush clip you can find on the market. Introducing the 3PC's Pool Brush Clip V-shaped clip by CANIPHA. Now, pool cleaning just got easier with these stainless steel clips designed for durability and ease of use. These clips are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they are strong, stable, and resistant to rust. They're built to last, making them a reliable choice for your pool maintenance toolkit. Designed to fit standard pool poles with a diameter of 1 to 1 by 4 inches, these clips are versatile. Whether you're using them with brushes, skimmers, or nets, they provide a secure attachment without the need for extra tools. One of the best features is their user-friendly design. Simply bend the stainless steel clip, insert it into the pole, and push the outer tube. The spring button pops out, securing your attachment hassle-free. Beyond pool maintenance, these clips find use in various other applications like mops, fishing rods, and even strollers. They're truly multifunctional, offering convenience in various settings. So, why should you consider these clips for your pool maintenance routine? With their stainless steel construction, these clips are built to withstand the elements and frequent use, ensuring they remain reliable over time. Thanks to their easy installation, you'll spend less time setting up and more time enjoying a clean pool. It's a simple yet effective solution for any pool owner. In conclusion, the 3PC's Pool Brush Clip V-shaped clip by CANIPHA is undoubtedly one of the best pool brush clips you can get your hands on. From its sturdy build to its effortless installation and versatile applications, it ticks all the boxes for anyone looking to maintain a clean and enjoyable swimming pool. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Have you used these clips before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more reviews that matter. Thanks for watching.